Right now we are at Muskoseepi pond. It's actually a fishing pond in summertime and used as a skating rink for winter. And today weather is wonderful. It's around -15. Not too cold, but at the same time sufficient enough to keep the ice strong. राम्रो राम्रो ल ल उठा 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 ओए जाऊ 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 पिकअप लिगा